So here we're on the BTC USD divided by MSTR chart. So the way you should really look at this is how many shares of strategy could I buy with one Bitcoin. So it's currently around 353, but what I can do is zoom out and actually gain a full chart of this price action history. And one thing that I think is really interesting to watch is we're currently at some pretty critical zones for this chart. We can see this orange level here is the bear market bottom for Bitcoin in the 2018-2019 Bitcoin bear cycle. But we can see the price action looks similar to the USD chart of Bitcoin, but over the past few years has actually been very subdued. And this is due to the fact that MSTR has been massively outperforming throughout the last few years, really. If I just draw on here roughly about where MSTR started accumulating, at this point, this doesn't look like the standard BTC USD chart anymore. In fact, it's been very much to the downside, like I said. But this orange box, like I said, outlines the Bitcoin bear cycle bottom that we had in 2018-2019. And MSTR over the past year or so has really struggled to convincingly break through this. Now this red box as well, almost like an area of support and resistance on the Bitcoin chart, is where we've bounced on a number of different occasions when we were above this, and is where we've bounced back beneath from on a number of different occasions now that we're below this level. And I think this really indicates that MSTR is at a pretty critical point for its price compared to Bitcoin. If we are to see this chart move above into kind of the 380, 400 plus territory on this chart, how many MSTR shares you could buy with one Bitcoin, it would almost certainly outline a bear market for the strategy price action and a period of relative overperformance and outperformance for Bitcoin.